Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to change the display name on your Windows 11 lock and login screen. So let's get started with this quick tutorial. First, you'll want to turn on your computer and wait for it to fully load. Make sure Windows 11 has completely booted up before proceeding with any changes. This ensures that all system components are ready and the modifications you make will be properly saved. Once your PC is ready and you can see your desktop, navigate to the Windows Start menu. You'll find this in your taskbar, typically at the bottom of your screen. Go ahead and click on the Start menu icon to open it. When the Start menu appears, you'll see a search bar at the top. Type in Control Panel using your keyboard and then press Enter. This will launch the Microsoft Control Panel window, which is where you'll find the settings needed to change your display name. In the Control Panel window, look through the various categories until you find User Accounts. Click on this option to proceed. You'll notice that after clicking, you may need to click on User Accounts again, as it sometimes opens a submenu with additional options. This double-clicking is normal and ensures you're in the right section to manage your account settings. Now that you're in the User Accounts section, scan through the available options until you locate the link that says Change Your Account Name. This is the specific setting that controls what name appears on your lock and login screen, so it's exactly what you need. Click on this link to continue. A new window or dialog box will appear with a text field where you can enter your new display name. Think about what name you'd like to see each time you log in or when your screen is locked. Type your preferred name into the field provided. This could be your actual name, a nickname, or any other identifier you prefer to see on your login screen. After you've entered your new display name, look for the Change Name button and click on it to apply your changes. The system will process this modification and update your account settings accordingly. You may need to wait just a moment while Windows saves these changes to your user profile, and that's it. Your new display name will now appear on both your lock screen and login screen whenever you start your computer or lock it. The change takes effect immediately, so the next time you see these screens, your updated name will be displayed. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.